It was a coup. It was a coup.
Did you always call it a coup?
It was. I participated. I'm telling you,
What's
it's not.
the
It's
fear?
not as simple as.
What's the fear?
No one liked Operation Baghdad. No one.
Where's the Haitian army? That was going to cause a first.
No one. No one likes that living condition.
Oh, Operation Baghdad. That's this thing you guys talk about, the Shimea and...
It was every. It was. It was just. Police were going around with masks on their faces. Gangs were shooting at police, taking their heads off. Police were arresting
Was
people
that
and shooting.
before or after the coup?
That was.
Do you call it a coup? 2004, February 29th.
It was a coup. It was a coup.
Did you always call it a coup?
It was. I participated.
How?
I went to Washington.
So the coup is connected to Washington.
Oh yeah.
It wasn't a Haitian coup.
I went to the meetings.
And what did you guys decide at those meetings?
I didn't make decisions. I just told them what I thought.
Any regrets?
No. The regret. Yeah, it is a regret. The regret is that because Aristide lost that little exchange, that the families won. That's my regret. But that that Aristide wasn't replaced by a representative of the people. I regret that Aristide was replaced by the families.
How did you expect a representative of the people to replace Aristide when the people have already chosen Aristide? And it was
Preval could have taken that role.
But did the people vote for Preval?
Yeah.
When?
2006.
Yeah, but that's after the coup.
Sure.
The people had voted for someone in 2000. And it was supposed to last 5 years, no?
Once they start shooting or killing journalists or burning radio stations, after the journalists, they go after musicians.
So you consider that this was self-defense? You had to preserve...
Once they start going after journalists, when they're done with the journalists, they go after musicians.
But
so I would like to take care of business while they're going after the journalists.
What journalist was killed?
Oh, I don't know. You'd have to go Google that.